Yep.
You want to review it? And clean your face off?
Yeah.
Get it!
Welcome back to Cocktail Corner. Today I am doing something a little different. This is a pre-prohibition cocktail called the White Lady. And as you all can tell, I'm horrible with names and dates, so I will be reading just a little bit of the history so I don't mess it up. This was made by Harry McMahon in 1919 at the Cereals Club, but that was a completely different recipe than the one that he finalized in 1929. And we will be doing that recipe from 1929. The Savoy Hotel in London also claims to have made this recipe also in 1930. It was named after, they say this cocktail is named after F. Scott Fitzgerald's wife, Zelda, who drank this cocktail and had platinum blonde hair. So either way, it's a great story. No matter where it came from, it's a great cocktail, and let's get to it and enjoy it. So, because Harry McMahon is from Scotland, I am going to use gin from the island Islay, from Scotland, called the Botanist. It's delicious, so I would highly recommend it. So let's get to making it. We're gonna use 1.5 ounces of gin. So this is a very unique gin on its own. It's dry, but it's just up front and forward. The nose, it's a very London dry gin, so just delicious. And then we are gonna use some triple sec. Either use orange liqueur if you have it, like dry curacao, Grand Marnier, anything, or some triple sec. Whatever you have on hand is great. So just 3/4 of an ounce. Oh, is it called a dramatic pour? And then 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. So I'm gonna add that 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. This drink is using an egg white. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the greatest at this, so I'm hoping I can get a good seal and show you guys. I feel like my problem is I have smaller hands than the guys, and so my shaker holding technique is a little different than theirs. I'm just gonna sift out the egg white, just like so. I do bake a lot, so I have practice in sifting out the egg white. It's just something you have to practice over time, and it gets a little easier. So if you don't dry shake the egg white, it won't get that nice good froth and kind of the cooking from the lemon or citrus juice. So make sure you always do that first. Okay, and let's see what we can do. And then we're gonna add some ice to this to get chilled now. I have a pretty good froth going. Okay. So when this drink was made, the martini glass was a really popular shape just because of its modern, sleek looks. So we're gonna pay homage to that, and we're gonna use the same thing. And as you can see, it's a gorgeous white color, which goes to the White Lady's name. And then you have that thick white froth on the top. And just gorgeous. Now, with this cocktail, I have made an variant to it that I think is really good. So we're gonna make that too, and we will be right back. We'll try them both together side by side. See you in a second. This is called the White Lady's Mistress. This one I think is a little bit more of a modern take to the White Lady, and let's get to building it. We are going to use 1.5 ounces of Blanco tequila, and I'm using my favorite, the Fortaleza tequila. We're going to add another 1/2 ounce. And then this is my favorite creme de coco, or creme de coconut. It's the Coco Lopez. It's some of the solids kind of solidify in it, just shake it really well. And we are going to do 1 ounce of this. That in there. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lime. As you can see, this kind of pays homage to it in the color, but it's not really the same thing, which I think it makes a really fun, like, adjunct drink, but not quite the same. So we're going to shake it. And then we are going to pour it into this margarita glass, which I think goes perfect with the tequila. Gives it a little bit of curve since it's the White Lady's Mistress. And then let's put a lime wheel on there just to complete the look. And we're just gonna float it on top. Gorgeous. So now we're gonna compare these side by side. And obviously they're gonna be a little bit different because one is gin based and one is tequila based. But overall I think they're both gorgeous cocktails and they both like deserve their own place. The original White Lady, the gin is just very well balanced. It's not very juniper forward. It's almost just more sweet and smooth with the egg white in there. Just delicious. Even if you're not into gin, I think you would like that one. And let's try the White Lady's Mistress. Kind of the same thing. You would think the coconut would be overbearing, but it's not. It's actually kind of in the background. The tequila tones it down and gives it more of an earthiness and not so much of the sweetness. So I think they're both like really well paired together. You wouldn't think that just hearing their ingredients, but they're both amazing. The mouthfeel is about the same, very creamy. So I would recommend both of them. So let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. And remember to like and subscribe our channel, and we will see you next time on Cocktail Corner. Thank you.